Think your newborn is too young to play? Think again. Even though your little one is still tiny, playtime is crucial for bonding, brain development, and sensory growth. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. In today's video, we're sharing fun and easy play ideas you can try with your newborn right now to support their growth and make the most of those early weeks. Let's get started. Tummy time is a classic for a reason. It helps your baby build neck and shoulder strength and prevents flat spots on the head. Start with just 1 to 2 minutes a few times a day. Use a soft mat or blanket. Get face-to-face with your baby to make it fun. Add a mirror or high-contrast toy nearby for stimulation. Bonus: you can even do tummy time on your chest for extra snuggles and connection. Your newborn loves the sound of your voice, even if you're off-key. Singing and talking help them develop language skills, learn emotional tones, and strengthen your bond. Narrate what you're doing throughout the day, or sing simple lullabies and nursery rhymes. Newborns can only see a few inches in front of them and are drawn to high-contrast images. Try black and white books or flashcards, DIY patterns on paper, or a high-contrast mobile above the changing table. It stimulates their developing vision and encourages focus. Baby massage isn't just relaxing, it helps with digestion, circulation, body awareness, and bonding. Use gentle, slow strokes on their arms, legs, and back after a bath or before bedtime. Or simply enjoy skin-to-skin contact, which helps regulate baby's heartbeat and temperature. Babies are fascinated by faces, even their own. A baby-safe mirror during tummy time or playtime gives them a new visual experience and supports self-awareness down the road. This simple movement is soothing and great for gas relief. Gently bicycle their legs or do slow stretches while talking or singing. It's also a fun way to engage and bond. You don't need fancy toys. Let your baby explore safe, soft textures like a fuzzy blanket, a crinkly scarf, or a soft rattle. Make sure anything they interact with is clean, soft, and baby-safe. Let's recap some easy play ideas you can try with your newborn today. Tummy time. Even on your chest, talking and singing, high-contrast visual stimulation, baby massage, and skin-to-skin mirror play, bicycle legs, and movement sensory play with simple textures. What's your baby's favorite play activity so far? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more baby development tips and play ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy playing with your little one.